Let's see here. Yeah, I got it on a swivel. I do that a lot. I probably shouldn't, but look how stretchy it is. It's really stretchy. It's kind of coming off the end of my jig head. There we go. And it's really, really soft plastic. It moves even if you're not twitching it. It'll move around in the current a little bit. I'm just bouncing that thing along the bottom. It's on a Ned rig, like a weighted jig head, and I just bounce it along the bottom. It kind of resembles like a crayfish. Holy crap, I actually got a fish. What do I got here? Oh, I got a trout. No, that's a big fall fish. Nice. Oh yeah. We will take it. Hopefully I was recording. Yep. Come on, buddy. Hold on. Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, look at that fall. Look at that fall fish. Yeah, decent size. Surprised to get one. See you, bud. Yeah. He nailed the Sukoshi Bug. Looks like a Ned rig. That was cool. I thought it was a trout there for a second. Oh, yeah, I got fish stink on me. Oh, I got something. I think this is a bass. No, it's another fall fish. It can't be the same one. Oh man, I knew there'd be more in there. Come on. There we go. Oh, yeah, another fall fish. Cool. I hope that wasn't the same one. I don't think so. But I guess it's possible.